Today I'm going to tell you about Living Proof's Scalp Care Density Serum. This lightweight scalp serum is formulated to visibly reduce the appearance of gray hair and increase hair's density. I start by applying 2 to 3 droppers full directly to your dry or damp scalp. Massage in and do not rinse. For best results, use daily, then style as desired. Its key benefits are it's clinically proven to reduce hair thinning, reduce the appearance of gray hair. It promotes thicker, fuller, healthier looking hair from the root down. It's lightweight and it's fast absorbing serum, plus it's dermatologist approved. It's not crunchy, flaky, or greasy. It leaves my hair feeling soft and shiny, plus it doesn't have a cast. And it's so easy to apply. It's available now at Sephora, Ulta, and livingproof.com. Thank you so much for watching. You should check them out next time.